Thank you for purchasing a Heartsine Samaritan Public Access Defibrillator, or PAD, the industry leader in clinically advanced, easy-to-use public access defibrillators. To set up the Heartsine Samaritan PAD, simply open the box and remove all the components. Be sure to complete the enclosed warranty card and mail it into Heartsine to activate the warranty. Remove the PAD from the case. Then, open the packaging and remove the pad pack. Insert the pad pack into the underside of the PAD. Slide it all the way to the back of the unit until you hear the pad pack click into place. Once the pad pack is installed, the device will power up and begin a self-test automatically. A green light will flash indicating the unit is operational. The unit is now ready when you need it. The unit performs self-tests. Periodically, make sure the green light is flashing to make sure the unit is ready in case of an emergency. If any issue is identified, the light will flash red. Also, an audible warning is made if the unit is turned off. If either of these occur, contact Heartsine Technical Service for assistance at 866-478-7463. The phone number can be found on the back of the user manual. After you use the PAD, of course, you will need to replace the pad pack. To remove the pad pack, squeeze the tabs on the sides and slide it out of the PAD. Once a new pad pack is installed, place the Samaritan PAD back in the case provided. Follow your local battery disposal guidelines for disposal of the pad pack. Pad packs are available in two versions, one for adults and one for children. The adult pad pack is for patients over 8 years old and weighing more than 55 pounds or 25 kilograms. The pediatric pad pack is for children between 1 to 8 years old and weighing less than 55 pounds or 25 kilograms. The Samaritan PAD logs up to 90 minutes of heart rate information after use. A physician may want the event data from the PAD to make treatment decisions. To download the event data, use the data cable that comes with the PAD. After downloading the information, please erase the data from memory. Instructions on how to download the Saver Evo software are included in the user's manual and are on Heartsine's website, www.heartsine.com. Saver Evo software updates are free and are part of Heartsine's commitment to help you keep your system current as technology changes. The data cable and Saver Evo software are included when you buy your PAD at no additional cost and can be used with any standard PC. If for any reason you suspect that your PAD is not working correctly, or for more information on accessories shown in this video, contact your authorized Heartsine channel partner or Heartsine directly for support at www.heartsine.com or 866-478-7463. Heartsine. Life-saving, pure and simple.